Lucky Charms.
Yeah, Lucky Charms. Why Lucky Charms?
I don't know. I just like it. So we are doing the cereal box domino drive, where so we have at Heritage we have kids bring in cereal boxes, and our goal is 500, and we're over that right now.
Then it's our 4th annual cereal drive here at Heritage Elementary. And actually, I don't want to take the credit for getting it started. We have 2 boys in our building, the Gilbert boys, that brought this idea to me around 4 years ago. And they wanted to collect the cereal, give it to a good cause, which is our students, our families, and then whatever is left over to community sharing. And then in order to celebrate all the students' hard work by bringing it in, we do a cereal domino drop with all the students in the hallway the Tuesday before Thanksgiving.
So a few times we've set them up, and then maybe like a teacher walks by and accidentally kicks it, or we set one up and then it accidentally falls down because it's off balance, and then we have to try to chase it down and like try to stop it.
They line the halls, they're excited. It takes us a good hour to set it up. We have some good laughs, a little bit of frustration. We've had many times where we've had it almost done and then one cereal box falls and we just start over, but it's all just a lot of fun. We know it's going to a good cause. And when the students come out of their classrooms to line the outside of the building, they are so excited.
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, why is it going so fast? It's okay. Oh my gosh!